George, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on my LS swap. So this is my 95 Chevy pickup, 1500. Of course, like I said, with the LS swap. There's a lot to talk about, but right now I'm doing the knock sensors. See all of this gunk. Yeah, I just had to get rid of this. Put another one, put another cables in it, another knock sensor cables, and intakes over there. Gonna put everything back together, and we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, moments of truth. I connected everything already. I have all my injectors. Later on I'm gonna clean all that wiring. I know it looks nasty, but at this moment I just want it running. I know my valve seals on this side is leaking, so I might have to replace them. Might as well replace all of them, that I'm already there. But I need to get an air compressor, and I know what kind of person has no air compressor and it's doing all of this. So let's turn it on and see how it is. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, keys forward. Any leaks? No leaks. I don't see no leaks. Good. I'll connect that later. Here we go, guys. Cross your fingers. It's alive, guys. If y'all like what you see, please comment below, subscribe. Look at all that smoke. I don't know if you can see that smoke, but that's from the valve seals. This is my 95 Chevy pickup. I'm going to do more work on it if y'all want to follow me and see all the little things and details. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys.